Are you looking for the top 5 best mobile workstations? In this video, we will look at some of the best mobile workstations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Gigabyte Aero 17. As the most popular laptop in the world, it's no wonder that Gigabyte has produced some of the best gaming laptops out there. The Aero 17 can handle most anything you throw at it with ease. One of the most powerful mobile workstations out there, the Gigabyte Aero 17 2021 comes with a lot of power, a gorgeous display, and a whole lot of ports. Best yet, it is priced well below its less powerful rivals, making it a better proposition even if you have a more flexible budget. It is not by any means perfect. The battery life could use a bit of a boost, for example, but for how much you are paying and for the other things you are getting in return, it is a minuscule sacrifice. The Gigabyte Aero 17 2021 boasts exceptional build quality and can run AAA games pretty well too. Not just that, this mid-range laptop offers terrific performance when running video editing, graphic design, and 3D rendering apps. At number 2. MacBook Pro 14-inch. If power and portability are what you're looking for, there's no better choice right now than the MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021. It's more of a creative laptop than a business one. However, if you need a workstation for your creative tasks that you can carry anywhere, its M1 Pro or M1 Max chip comes with a lot of processing and graphical prowess. That's while touting a battery life that'll last you even past your work hours. Ports abound, including the returning MagSafe, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI port, an SDXC card slot. Not to mention, there's the stunning XDR display with 1600 nits of peak brightness. This laptop may be overkill for normal users, but it is incredible for video editors, music producers, photographers, and programmers. At number 3. Acer Concept 7. Best mobile workstation for creative seeking color accuracy. For those who think that MacBook Pros are overpriced but still need a powerful mobile workstation, there's the Acer Concept 7. This formidable laptop, capable of handling complex and demanding tasks such as 3D rendering, thanks in part to its NVIDIA RTX graphics, was designed specifically with creative professionals in mind. Beyond the sheer power it delivers, it also offers decent port selection, a minimalist solid white design, and that stunning Pantone-validated 4 Kelvin IPS display. Obviously, it's still pretty pricey, but if you're looking for a Windows-powered MacBook alternative for video and photo editing, it's a great option. The Acer Concept 7 is quite a stylish laptop, and with NVIDIA's RTX graphics, you can run AAA games on it too. Rather, it's perfect for those who need color accuracy, like photographers and video editors. At number 4. Dell XPS 17. For a 17-inch laptop, the Dell XPS 17 2020 is impressively thin and light, especially when you consider the fact that it boasts powerful specs for that top-notch performance that content creators require. It has the new 10th generation Intel processors, NVIDIA RTX GPUs, and up to 32 GB of RAM. In other words, it's a productivity machine for power users. Among the best mobile workstations out there, this is practically the whole package, touting a big, gorgeous screen, fantastic battery life that will last you the entire day, and a gorgeous design on top of everything else. That's without even mentioning its mid-range price of entry, giving the MacBook Pro 16-inch a good run for its money. Despite its sleek and premium design, the laptop is large and lacks portability. At number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6. Best 2-in-1 mobile workstation. There are very few laptops that are more powerful than the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6. This 2-in-1 workhorse delivers excellent battery life of up to 14 hours, and if you're going to be working long hours, this is the mobile workstation you'll want it to be working in. It also comes with a breathtaking 16:10 display as well as many security add-ons, features business professionals will appreciate. We're also pretty sure that they'll appreciate its connectivity ports to USB Type-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Types, and HDMI 2.0 and Garage stylus. The X1 Yoga Gen 6 does lack an SD card slot, making it a bit inconvenient for creatives and photographers. Despite its stunning performance, the laptop has a rather plain design that won't grab any eyeballs.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.